Want to ride the AI crypto wave to massive profits in 2025? Stay tuned. The top 10 AI coins are exploding, but only those with the right strategy will cash in big. Stay tuned for the proven trading, staking and holding tips that could transform your portfolio. Today we are diving into 2025's hottest opportunities, AI crypto coins. These projects are blending blockchain and artificial intelligence, and they are creating millionaires. But only for those who know how to play the game. In this video, I'm revealing strategies for trading, staking and holding the top 10 AI coins. Ready to profit? Let's dive in. First, why should you care about AI crypto coins? These tokens power platforms that combine AI knowledge with blockchain security, revolutionizing everything from DeFi to data processing. The AI crypto market is valued at $26 billion in June 2024. And experts predict a 24.9% annual growth rate according to CoinMarketCap. That's huge potential for profits if you know how to invest wisely. For example, take Render Network. It lets artists rent GPU power for rendering animations, paying in RNDR tokens. Hollywood studios are jumping on board, driving demand. That's the kind of real-world use case that screams opportunity. Let's talk about the top 10 AI crypto coins for 2025. These are the projects with the strongest fundamentals and profit potential. I'll highlight a few, then share strategies to make money with them. First, Render, ticker RNDR. Second, Bittensor, ticker TAO. Third, Fetch.ai, ticker FET. Fourth, Graph, ticker GRT. Fifth, Internet Computer, ticker ICP. Sixth, Neo Protocol. Now let's go to the good stuff. How to profit from these coins. I'm breaking it down into 3 strategies: trading, staking and long-term holding. First, trading. AI coins are volatile, which is perfect for traders. Use swing trading for coins like Fetch.ai, which can jump 20 to 30% on ecosystem news. For example, FET surged 15% in June 2025 after a partnership with a major DeFi platform. Set tight stop losses. Volatility cuts both ways. Tools like TradingView can help you spot trends with AI-driven indicators. Second, staking. Staking is low risk, high reward for coins like Bittensor and Graph. Bittensor offers up to 12% APY on some platforms, and Graph Delegator program yields steady returns. In 2025, stakers on Graph earned 10 million in rewards. Check platforms like Kraken or Binance for staking options. Third, long-term holding. For believers in AI future, hold coins like Render or ICP. Render's Hollywood adoption and ICP's D-app growth make them strong bets for 5 to 10x gains by 2030, as the AI blockchain market could hit 10.2 billion per industry reports. Here's an interesting example. A trader who bought RNDR at $3.5 in February 2025 and sold it at $5 during the July rally made a 33% profit in 5 months. Meanwhile, a staker who locked up 10,000 Graph tokens earned $200 in passive income over the same time period. Here are risks and tips for success. Before you dive in, let's talk risks. AI crypto is volatile. Some coins swing 50% in a week. Look at SingularityNet. It dropped from 3.47 in March 2024 to 0.66 by June 2025 due to a market correction. Regulation is another hurdle. Governments are cracking down on crypto. To succeed, research tokenomics. Ensure the token has real utility, not just hype. Start small. Test strategies with 5 to 10% of your portfolio. Use tools. Platforms like Token Metrics use AI to predict price movements. Stay updated. Markets move fast. So follow news on my channel and other social media platforms. So there you have it, your roadmap to profit from 2025's top 10 AI crypto coins. Whether you're trading, staking or holding, these strategies can help you cash in on this AI blockchain revolution. Drop a comment with your favorite AI coins or strategy and let's get the conversation going. If you loved this video, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell to stay ahead of the crypto game. Check out my other video on the top 10 AI crypto coins to get a better understanding of the top 10 hottest AI crypto projects 2025. Till then, see you in the next video.